Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all? Hope you are well. Today I'm going to show you Samsung digital inverter washing machine 14 kg, and can see this washing machine. I will show you what is the problem with this machine and how can it be easily solved. For testing the machine first, I will fill the machine with some water. Then I will set the water level down to the maximum and I will start the machine. Check if there's problem with it. You can see that the machine has turned on and it is washing very slowly. Can see as the machine running slowly, the cloth will never wash like that. So now I will select the spin cycle and check if this machine is spinning or not. First, can see I select already spin mode and it's normal 15 minute, and I press already start button and can see water is coming out of the machine for spinning, and I have to wait for spinning cycle. Can see I usually select the machine spin mode and it doesn't spin properly. After few spin it start to shake and the machine start to spin again for the beginning. So now I will show you how to solve it easily. Watch the video attentively. If you guys watch this kind of video more, please kindly subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for getting all kind of video fast. So now I am opening the back cover of the machine. Can see there is a capacitor on the left side of the machine. First I am opening this capacitor. Normally capacitor is a circuit component that temporarily store electric energy through distributing charge particles on generally two parties to create a potential difference. So can see, firstly I want to tell you, if the capacitor of the machine is weak, then this problem can occur. The machine I am talking about now, as you can see, vibrate while spinning, so there is no capacitor problem in this machine. So now I will check the motor of the machine. To check this, you need to open the motor first, and you can see how I open it. Can see how the downside of the motor is rusted. After opening the cover of motor, you can see uh, if you pull lightly it will open it. Can see stator of the motor is totally rusted. Look attentively, it's very rusted. So this spring is okay, but this motor wheel is totally rusted. Usually the entire motor is rusted due to water ingress. So now I am opening the stator part. First I am disconnecting the wire connection from the stator. Then I open the all screws as well. I can see how to open the screws. If you open all the screws and gently pull this part out, I can see this total wheel is very rusty, and now I will clean it up. Usually I use sandpaper to clean it. I will clean all the places with it one by one. Can see how I am cleaning these parts. One by one I will remove all the rust, and can see how I am removing this. After that I will fix it back to normal. Last night I couldn't complete the whole work, so next day I am making the video. Now I apply some grease inside the gearbox of the machine to make it work very smoothly. Can see I apply grease. So its main function is, the gearbox is one of the coolest part of the washing machine. If you rotate the crankshaft in a gearbox in one direction, the inner shaft will slowly rotate back and forth, reversing direction with each half revolution. If you spin the pulley the other way, the flange spin at high speed and spinning the whole tube with it. So now I am going to install the motor. I install it exactly as it was before, and now I will install all screws as. Screws should be set up as before. Then after that I will set it up just like before with the housing part of the motor attached. Can see how I am attaching this housing part. Now I will tighten all the screws one by one. After tighten all the screws, I will test the machine now. You can see that the machine is cleaning the cloth very powerfully. Earlier you saw it was running very slowly, and right now it's totally changed. Now I check the machine is spinning or not. First I power on the machine, then select spin mode, then start. I have to wait for spinning time. I can see water is coming out from the machine. Just wait few seconds. I can see this machine is started running. The previous problem is already solved. See, this machine is totally okay right now. So if you want to watch this kind of learning tutorial video, please kindly subscribe my channel and like the video and press the bell icon for getting new kind of video fast. So stay safe. Allah Hafiz.